This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting a Clips project now. First, open Clips and tap the plus to create a new project. Pick an aspect ratio, square, vertical, or 16:9, so your framing matches the platform you'll publish to. Make sure Clips can access camera, microphone, and photos. Without permissions, you won't record or import media. Once done, choose whether to record live or import clips from photos. This decision shapes how you'll organize timelines and captions as you build the video. Record short takes by holding the red shutter or tap for hands-free captures, alternate close-ups and wide shots to create visual interest. Then import any footage you need, trim each clip's handles, and drag to reorder the timeline so the story flows logically. Add live titles for automatic captions, apply filters and animated stickers for personality, and layer music from the built-in library. Adjust volume so speech stays clear. Once arranged, scrub through the timeline to verify pacing and smooth transitions. Finish by reviewing the whole video. Check captions, timing, and audio levels one last time. Tap Share to export to Photos, AirDrop, or directly post to social apps. Choose resolution and compression settings if available to balance quality and file size. Make sure your iPhone has enough free storage before exporting to avoid failures. If sharing fails or audio drops, restart Clips. Check background app refresh and regrant camera/microphone permissions in settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.